Good morning, student. And last lecture we have studied one type of structural chromosomal aberration, that is deletion. Now we will see next type of structural chromosomal aberration, that is duplication. Duplication is the doubling or repetition of chromosome segment during chromosome duplication. Okay, when any part of the genetic material, that is a single locus or a large piece of chromosome, is present more than once in the genome, the chromosomal aberration is known as duplication, addition, or supplementation. Okay, here if you see on chromosome, their same segment or large piece or single locus is present more than once in the genome, then we can say that this is duplication or addition or supplementation. Okay, here doubling or repetition of chromosome segment during chromosome duplication. Okay, segment get double or that segment, particular segment, get repeated, so this is called as duplication. This duplication can arise as a result of unequal crossing over between synapse chromosome during meiosis. We know synapses. Okay, during this synapses, their unequal crossing takes place and through replication error prior to meiosis. Okay, during replication, their error takes place and unequal crossing or between synapse chromosome takes place, so the duplication takes place. Duplication can also arise through chromosome breakage and reunion of chromosome segment with its homologous chromosome. Okay, so as a result of it, a set of gene gets double or repeated. Okay, the extra set of gene is generally called repeat. If we see the presence of extra set of chromosome or same set of chromosome is present on this chromosome, or double set of chromosome, then double set of segment, then it is called as this particular extra set of gene is called as repeat. In this diagram we can see this is original chromosome before duplication, here presence of that particular area, or this is set of gene, and this set get duplicated near to this particular set, so here presence of two sets of this particular gene. Okay, so this we can say duplication. Okay, then this duplication was first detected by Bridges in 1919 1919 from this genetic study on X chromosome of Drosophila. Okay, this is duplication. Now we'll see types of duplication. There are different types of duplication. These types are depending on the location of the duplicated region of the chromosome. Duplication are of following type or different types. There are presence of different types, that tandem duplication, reverse duplication, displaced duplication, then uh, transpose duplication, extracentric duplication. Okay, that we'll see. Then first we'll see tandem duplication. In a tandem duplication, the duplicated region is situated just adjacent to the normal corresponding section of the chromosome, and the sequence of gene is the same in normal or duplicated region. Okay, in this tandem duplication, the extra segment and the parent segment are next to each other and have some order of gene, same order of gene. So here we can see tandem duplication. Okay, that chromosome having sequence of gene 1 2, this normal chromosome having sequence of gene 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and tandem duplication we can see 1 2 3, again 2 3 4, so same sequence of gene comes after that normal sequence, so this is called as tandem duplication. Okay, so this in tandem duplication, that extra segment and parent segment are next to each other and have the same order of gene. Then reverse tandem duplication, here the sequence of gene in the duplicated region of a chromosome is just the reverse of normal sequence. Okay, so here that duplicated um, region of chromosome get adheres to particular chromosome in reverse position. The extra segment lies next to parent segment with reverse gene sequence. Okay, in diagram we can see here a reverse tandem duplication. Okay, this is normal chromosome 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then in reverse duplication we can see 1 2 3. Then this same sequence of particular duplicated region, this 2 3, but it's here present in or here attached in reverse orientation, that is 3 2, and that remaining sequence of gene 4 5 6 7. Okay, so here we can see reverse duplication. This chromosome shows 1 2 3 3 2 4 5 6 7. Okay, so it is called as reverse duplication. Okay, that particular duplicated region adheres on particular chromosome in reverse orientation, so it is called as reverse tandem duplication. Then next is uh, displaced duplication. The duplicated segment lies in some distance away from the parent segment. Okay, here is no diagram of this particular uh, duplication, that is displaced duplication. This displaced duplication also called as non-tandem duplication. Okay, this the duplicated region of the chromosome is not situated adjacent to the normal section, depending on whether the duplicated segment is on the same side of chromosome as the original section or on the other side. The displaced duplication can be termed either homobrachial or heterobrachial. Then here we can see this displaced duplication, or this is also called as non-tandem duplication. Okay, this duplicated section is away from this particular normal sequence of gene. Here we can see normal chromosome 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here in tandem non-tandem duplication or displaced duplication, 1 2 chromosome having gene sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this duplicated sequence of gene comes after centromere or adheres after centromere, and this is 2 3 7. Okay, so this duplicated sequence of gene comes after some sequence of gene. Okay, this is not near to this normal sequence of gene. Okay, if this particular um, duplicated sequence is present on same chromatids of chromosome, then it is called as homobrachial duplication. If the duplicated gene sequence is present on different chromatids, then it is called as heterobrachial duplication. Okay, you can see this particular diagram in your textbook. Then next is transpose duplication. Okay, transpose another types of duplication. Transpose duplication, the duplicated region of chromosome get attached to a non-homologous region or non-homologous chromosome. It may be interstitial or terminal. Okay, this one that duplicated region of chromosome get attached to the non-homologous chromosome. Okay, so this is called as transpose duplication. Okay, the normal chromosome, if the normal chromosome having gene sequence A B C D E F G and another its pair, that is non-homologous chromosome L M N O P. Okay, then duplicated chromosome, we can say that, or that duplicated chromosome will appear as LMNDEOP. Okay, so this duplicated region um, attached to non-homologous chromosome. Then next is extracentric duplication. In extracentric duplication, in the presence of a centromere, the duplicated part of chromosome can act as an independent chromosome, often called as microchromosome. Okay, So if the normal chromosome has gene sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay, then this duplicated uh, chromosome shows A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, then duplicated chromosome, that centric chromosome C, D, E, F. Okay, there remains of only centromere, and another part, that terminal part get detached from this particular chromosome. Okay, then next is effect of duplication. Before going to see effect of duplication, we'll see cytology of duplication. Relatively large duplications are detectable due to the presence of loops formed by the duplicated segment during patching stage of meiosis. Okay, so due to the formation or presence of loop formed by duplicated segment during patching stage of meiosis, if it is intercalary tandem duplication, in the case of terminal reverse tandem repeats, the affected end of the duplicated chromosome may fold back and may pair with additional segment of the same chromosome or corresponding segment of the homologous chromosome. So their duplication will get arises. Okay. Then we'll see effects of duplication. The, that duplications are more frequent and less deleterious than deletions. Duplications are believed to be important raw material of organic evolution. The large duplication affects the regulation of gene activity and thereby causes phenotypic alteration, which in turn promotes speciation and evolution. Okay, this duplication of particular genetic region can have unique phenotypic effect. Okay, for example, in Drosophila, shape of normal eye is oval, bar eye flies have narrow slit-like eyes. Okay, the gene for bar eye present on X chromosome and stains homozygous for bar mutation, the number of facets of compound eye is fewer than that of normal eye, giving the bar shape or slit-like to eye rather than giving oval appearance. Okay, and this bar phenotype is not a result of simple chemical change in the gene, but it is a case of duplication referred to as position effect. The bar duplication probably arises due to the unequal crossing over in region 16A of the X chromosome. Further unequal crossing over in homozygous bar strain can produce a gametes with chromosome containing their copies of the 16A segment. Then this duplication also playing important role in evolution. Duplication have played important role in evolution of multi-gene families. This can be explained with a respect to hemoglobin molecule. The hemoglobin molecule contains two copy of each two different subunits, the alpha globin polypeptide and beta globin polypeptide. The gene for each two polypeptides are present on different chromosomes. It is believed that each of the gene families evolved from different ancestral gene by duplication and subsequent sequence divergence. Okay, so in this way we have studied another type of um, structural chromosomal aberration, that is duplication, and in next lecture we will see next type, that is inversion. Thank you.